All right, guys, welcome back to another stream. It's been quite a while, actually. Let me know if you guys can see my screen very well. If you can't, you can't. If you can, you can. It's been quite a while, guys, so I'm excited to be back and get back into the grind here. If there's one thing that I'm going to enjoy most about the stream is, well, I've obviously improved as a developer myself. So we'll be putting some of my stuff to work. So I hope you guys will enjoy the stream and let me know if you guys can see my screen very well, if it's upside down or not upside down. Regardless, just let me know if I can improve on anything with the stream. It's been a while, and I will be recording like this just for a few more months, guys, until I can get my computer, and then we'll go from there. All right, first we need to start off by actually getting a vehicle that we want to work on. Let me go ahead and open up the toolbox here. Let's go ahead and work on a Ford Explorer today. Let's do a 2021 Ford Explorer. Let me go to Ford Explorer. Hello, Gems. All right, Ford Explorer. Let's see. Okay, well, there's no actual good Ford Explorers, so 2020 Ford Explorer. Let's see if there's any good Ford Explorers just in general. I don't know if there is or isn't. Either way, I'm gonna look for some good Ford Explorers. I think this one could be good, but I have to take the stuff off of it because the problem with my computer's gonna be errors. Because the problem with this car already is ELS, and I don't feel like having ELS on mine. Let me go to the body and just delete stuff real quick. Can you guys tell me how the quality is? Is it good or not? Hello, guys. All right, let's see here. All right, great. Let me go ahead and go to the body of this vehicle. I'm gonna just delete the light bar out of this, so everything will go away. Let's go here. I think because she's a channel moderator, I'm not sure. So give me just a second. Hold on. Wait, why do you have a wrench next to your name? Hold up. Gems, were you ever created as a channel moderator? Because I don't know if I gave you the wrench or not. Because either way, if I did give you a moderator, then hold on, just give me a second. No? Okay, I'm gonna take it away from you because you shouldn't have it then. I'm sorry. All right, there you go. All right. All right, guys. Oh, hello, guys. You can see me a little bit. Yeah, give me a second. All right, guys. Let's move on with this now. All right, I should have removed all the police stuff out of this car. So now it should be working just fine without any worries about police stuff. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to get started by now getting light bars because light bars are needed for this. Light bar pack. Making a game, yeah. Just kind of making one for fun because I'm super bored when it comes to Roblox development at the moment, because since I don't have a good computer and can't really make good videos, just been kind of doing random things to pass time, you know? You can literally see my laptop in the corner, so. All right. All right, let me see now if I can get this to work. All right, what light bar should I grab? Let's see. There's a bunch of different light bars. I'm thinking, oh, that's gonna be hard to choose. I kind of want to do a 6 light one, but then at the same time I don't want to. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that won't work. What about this one? Will this one work? Let's see. Because we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll make 6. Okay. We'll use this light bar for now. All right, now I got to line this up perfectly with the actual vehicle itself. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to drag this down just a bit. All right, and then I'm going to go to the side over here. I can't see your chats, by the way, guys, because my computer's like in front of me. And so I have to like flip all the way around in order to see it. So sorry if I don't read your chats. All right, so now that that's there, now I'm going to go into the body of the vehicle. I'm going to go down here into actual body. I'm going to import a model. On this model, I'm going to put, I'm going to name it light bar. Light bar. That way I can put this in there actually as the real light bar. So let me go ahead and put this in there. Now it will move actually with the vehicle and it will fly away. I can show you some examples of my work when it comes to scripting and everything. These cars were all scripted by me and made by me, except for this car right here. This Crown Victoria was not made by me. All these three though work just fine, and they were scripted and made by me. So we'll have a final product like that. But yeah. All right, so now I'm going to go into the body. I'm going to go to the light bar. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click part. I'm going to type in part. So I can import a part. And then what I'll do is I will just scale this down so it's perfectly to size with the light bar. I also do tutorial series on how to script and just make police cars in general at some point, but for the time being, this is all I'm going to do. And for those of you who have not heard in a while, I actually recently started learning Roblox scripting. So yeah. So that's fun. I'm now going to pass this through the light bar. So it just pokes out just enough on the other end so you can see the lights. Same thing with the front. All right. Now I can formulate the actual lights here. All right, so you have this. That makes 1. 2. The stream won't go on for super long, guys, because for me right now it's 11:08 at night. So it won't be very smart for me to stream super long. All right, so 1, 2, 3. This should make 6 in total, because if I'm correct, yeah, it should make 6 in total, because 3 plus 3 is 6. So now I'm going to take this side. I'm going to do this side now. Let's go ahead and put it like this, like this. All right, so lights up to here are going to be terracotta. I want to make them neon. They're going to glow really bright for a second. There we go. These ones I'm going to name, I'm going to give them a color 190. All right. and they'll glow blue. So they're going to be neon now. There we go. So they're really hard to see because they are glowing. I can fix that. Just give me a second. All right, let's go to lighting, bloom. I'm going to set the bloom to 1. That intensity is not super high, and so that way you can actually read it and see what I'm doing. All right. Now the exciting part, scripting. Oh, Lord. All right. So I'm going to go to Lightbar. I'm going to add a script. I'm going to remove this print hello world. I'm going to scroll it super big so you guys can read this. That's as big as I can make it. So let me know if you can. Yeah, you guys can read that. Easy. All right, so we're going to start by typing main var equals script.parent. Then it's going to do while true, do wait, parentheses. And then we're going to do if main var dot stage dot value equals to 1, then it'll do main var dot w, or sorry, I had to name the parts real quick. Give me a second. I also have to anchor them. So let me make sure these are anchored. Anchored. They are anchored now. I have to name them too. I'm going to start with this one being W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, and W6. All right. Main.w1 dot transparency is equal to 1. Main dot w2 dot transparency is equals to 1. So this makes what? 4, 5, 6. Okay. 3, 4. All right. So basically, what it's going to do here is this is the name of what we're trying to script. So as long as it's going to scan the script for the main vet. So the parent of main vet is the script, and so as long as main vet is in the script, then this will run. So if the stage value, so if the stage is 1, then it'll turn all these lights off. So then I'm going to add down here. For those of you who are new to scripting, you should understand this. If you don't know anything about scripting, I don't expect you to know it. So don't be bothered. To you, it's going to sound like gibberish, but trust, it's not gibberish. I can't speak either. All right, so there's that one. Then there's this one. However, now one way I try to reference for scripting is I choose one of my cars that I've made in the past and then just use its scripts for reference. Because sometimes I forget what I'm doing. So hold on, let me go to my script. What did I put here? I put, oh, that's right. That's the 1100 pattern. So it's 1100, then 1100, then same thing down here, 1100, then 1100. I think if that's correct. Yes. Wait. No, it's just going to do the same thing. So it actually should be 0011 because it's going to run the same light pattern if I don't do that. So let me just change these to 00. All right. So now, so technically now that should work. And yeah, so then it would do stage 2 then. Cool. All right. So we're going to do else if main vet dot stage dot value equals to stage 2. Then it'll do this, but then it's going to do 1 0 1 0 1 0. And it's going to wait 0.07 seconds. Then it's going to do the same thing again. But instead it's going to be 0 1 0 1 0 1. Then it's going to wait 0.07 seconds. All right, nice. So if I'm correct, that's stage 2. I did that 0.1. Okay, so those first two need to be 0.1 for stage 2. The main vat was this one. Wait, stage 2. Okay, wait, stage 2 was 10101010. This is stage 2. Okay. Yeah. So stage 2 should have been 0.1 seconds. 0.1, 0.1. I'm gonna end my stream here soon. So that was for stage 2. Now we're doing stage 3. So else if main vet dot stage dot value equals to 3, then it'll do this, but then it's going to all be 0, 0, 1, 1. Then it's going to do the 0.07, right? Yeah. But instead, this is going to be all ones. So we're going to now copy this. Going to enter here, going to do this again, but it's going to just be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then it's going to just be the same thing again. So that's just going to be 1, 1, then 1, 1, 0, 0. Then it's going to switch. So it's going to be these down here, enter, paste. Then it's going to be this, enter, paste. Then it's going to paste the 1, 1 again. This is going to go 0, 0. So we're going to paste this again. Go down here, paste that again. Then we're going to come down here. We're going to change this to be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. All right. So then after that, it'll just be the same thing. 1, 1, 0, 0 again. So it's going to just be 1, 1. Then it's going to be 0, 0, 1, 1. All right, so theoretically, this script should work now. All I have to do now for the vehicle is go over to here, and I actually need to grab one issue, though, with doing this kind of car. Chances are this car actually won't work because what I'm doing is I'm using a completely different pickup script for the vehicle, and what happens is if you don't have the same pickup script, it's going to not work. So if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. If it does work, I'll just show you. Or if it doesn't work, I'll just show you one of my other cars. If it does work, then cool. All right, so I copied this. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to my light bar, right click, paste into. Now I'm going to drag this over here. Oops, I did not mean to do that at all. I meant to click on the middle bar. Is it still in here? No, it is not. Where I click here, paste into. All right, let's click here, rotate. Drag this back in the vehicle. I like to put it like right in the front grille of my vehicle, so it actually looks pretty close and accurate. Beautiful. Now all that needs to happen is I just need to now hope that this car will work. If it doesn't work, then I'll just use one of those ones in game. So if I click play here, what should happen is it should now work. The odds are it will not work, chances are. So, yes. But the sirens and everything else should work. All right, so there's no errors in the output so far. When it comes to the actual scripts I did, there's going to be some errors, but just ignore those. All right, let's go ahead and walk over here. Odds are this car won't work. It starts. It does have sirens. Oh, the lights actually do work. So as you can see, there they go. So one thing I do want to add, though, before I do end the stream, guys, is, hold on, I'm going to read some of those chats. I missed one of them. What inspired you to start scripting? Maybe if I keep asking questions, it's just wonder. Very interesting to watch, to be honest. What inspired me the most? I would say just the thought of being able to do whatever I want when it comes to scripting. I mean, learning scripting is obviously a hard skill, and understanding scripting is difficult. And that's why I'm going to be able to share my intelligence of scripting with others at some point and teach others how to do what they want to do. But mainly what inspired me is just the thought of being able to do stuff like this, being able to make my own vehicles and do all that kind of stuff. And it's really not that hard when it comes to actual scripting. Now, of course, it does require some math and just some basic stuff that you should know. Besides that, it isn't actually that hard as people say it is. If you get the right teacher, you can actually learn it very easily and very quickly. I taught myself, but one way you can learn is just by typing basic scripts. I'm not even joking. Like, you can type the most basic thing ever. Like, I'll do something for you real quick. That's super basic, okay? Let me just make a part real quick so I can put a script in it. Actually, wait, I don't need a part for this. Let's just do a very simple script, okay? We're gonna just go down here, script, and server script service. All right, I'm going to put a very basic script, okay? Just pay attention to it, and you'll be able to understand this. If you can see it, let me know. If you can't, let me know. So basically, a very simple script would be print, print parentheses, then quotation marks, okay? So basically what the print does is whenever you join into the game in the output window, it will say whatever in the parentheses. So whatever you put in parentheses, it will tell you in the output. So for example, let's just put hello YouTube like this. In the output window down here in this little output thing, this box that I'm dragging up here, it will actually save that in the output window if I press play. So that's what happens when you put a script in. And I'll actually show you how that works when I execute it. So if I just click run, watch the output window. Just ignore the errors, but watch the output window, okay? This big box. Where is it? It's going to give me some errors. Right. Okay, so it's hard to see, but it's right here where it says hello YouTube. As you can see it right here. Wherever my mouse is hovering, it says hello YouTube right here. So this is where it shows that what you printed. Just like that. And another basic script would be variables and whatnot, which are actually pretty basic as well. Yeah. So that's a basic script right there, which is printing. The second most basic script is really, really basic. I will create it really fast because I can. So basically, all you got to do is take a part. This is all done in Roblox Studio. So make sure that if you are going to do it, that you learn it on Roblox Studio. I think it's just the easiest to do. But here's this. Let me grab, where's my, okay, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm grabbing my spawn point real quick. All right, so we're gonna just name this part properties part, just for the sake of the stream being so long. Properties part. And so now I'm gonna go into this part. I'm gonna add I'm gonna go into server script service. I'm gonna enter my script. So this is my current script, which is this one right here. And so basically all I have to do to get this to work is I got to define a variable. So saying local, so local is defining a variable. So whatever you put after after you type local will be your variable name. So for example, the variable name will be a part. So we're going to name this. Local part is equal to game.workspace. So basically it's going to scan the game. It's going to check the workspace for something called the properties part. So if you type in .properties part, it's going to scan it for the properties part. I did not do that correctly. Properties part. It does that for some reason. Why is it doing that? Properties equals to game.workspace properties part. So something might have changed in Roblox Studio because that doesn't look correct. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So then if you do this, right? So if you wait 1 second to type in part dot anchored is equals to false, then you're going to wait 1 more second to do part dot anchored is equals to true. Then wait to do part dot transparency is equals to 0. Then it's going to wait a second to do 1. Then it's going to do part dot transparency. Part dot transparency is equals to 1. So part dot transparency is equals to 1. All right, so then it's going to wait. We're going to make it wait 2 seconds to do part dot transparency. Or sorry, not part dot transparency. We're going to do part dot can collide is equals to true. It's going to wait 2 more seconds to do part dot can collide is equals to false. And then down here we're going to wait 1 second to do part dot I'm gonna end the stream here soon, guys, so don't worry about it. brick color is going to equal to brick color.new. And so now whatever I put within the, remember the print, whatever I put in the parentheses in these brackets will be whatever I say. So whatever's in these parentheses is what it will be. So let's make the color dark blue. I will now go through the basic script and I'll teach you step by step what each thing does, and then I'll run it through the thing. So wait. So it's going to wait 1 second to make the part anchored, so that when it's anchored, it won't stick to the base plate. This is the base plate, this ground here. And whenever this is false, whenever the anchored is false, this will fall through the base plate. If it's true, it'll sit on the base plate. Let's see what else do I need to cover. Transparency, if it is, so for example, if I take this part and I set the transparency to 1, it disappears. If I set it to 0, it comes back. And then the cannon collide means that my character will be able to fade through it. So if it's true, then my character can go through it. If it's if it's true, I can't go through it. If it's off, then, or false, then I can go through it. The brick color.new is basically saying that it's going to create a new brick color. So the color of this brick will change based on whatever I put in the parentheses. So if I now click on play, it's going to spawn me on this spawn point. I will be able to do everything that the script has done, and I'll be able to walk into the block and do whatever I want. And what's going to happen to it is just watch it closely as it changes colors, and I'm able to fade into the part. So as you can see, it fell, it disappeared. It's going to be right back in front of me. So it's right here. I'm walking into it. It's now here. It will eventually change colors after returns. It takes a second because it's waiting 2 seconds. Wait, did I do something wrong? Wait, so the transparency is equals to 1. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Sorry, I messed up something in the script. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh, I set the transparency to 1 before I had made this fall. So now you'll be able to see it, right? Part of transparency. I'm just gonna wait to make it 0. So it means you can see it. Yeah. All right. Now it should work. So it'll be invisible when I first jump in the game, but after that point forward, it should no longer be invisible. And then we'll actually be able to see that everything else happen. All right, full graphics here. All right. So as you can see, it's right here. It is visible, and I will fall through it, like right here, and there it goes. It makes a new color. And that's it for the script. And there's no errors in the output window whatsoever related to this script. And so that is how you create a basic properties script with properties. Other than that, though, that's about it. Oh, and I was going to show you the car. This will be the last part of the stream, I promise. All right, so this is the car, fully working. This is super loud, holy crap. So we have the sirens. You have like whale, yelp, priority, horn, and then you have the light patterns. So you have pattern 1, which is just that back and forth. Pattern 2, which is that like little strobe kind of pattern. And then pattern 3, which is like full code 3. So this would be like code 3. Lights and sirens, like this, would be code 3. This would be code 2. Or sorry, code 1. So this would be like no sirens. Code 2, yelp or sirens. And it would be a medium speed, and then code 3 is just full lights and sirens like this. And there you go. And I did that with many other vehicles too. These will all go into future upcoming plans and games that I have for Roblox and for the channel. So make sure you stay tuned for those. My favorite car, though, that I've done is probably this Crown Vic. I mean, just look at this lighting, bro. Oh, it's beautiful, though. I like the red, too. I think it looks really good. As you can see, there's different patterns on it. My second favorite Crown Vic, oh, that's going to drive off the edge. And she's gone. My second favorite is this car. I don't know. I think the lighting just looks really good on this one. There you go. But anyways, I'm going to end the stream here, guys, because it is getting late. And I wish you guys all, hope you have a happy rest of your day or night, whatever it is for you. If you want to see more streams like this or any scripting streams where I can teach you anything regarding scripting or just building in general or Roblox Studio, let me know and I will make sure I do that next stream. If you guys have any questions, you can ask them now. I'll now turn my camera around so you can see me perfectly. Here I am. If you haven't seen me in a while, I look like this now. So besides that, that's going to be about it. If you guys have any questions, you can ask them now. Otherwise, I'll end the stream. One thing I need to do real quick, though. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.